Your iPhone 17 Pro Max has a powerful camera. But did you know you can unlock cinema-level controls using the official Blackmagic Camera App? Today, I'll show you the safe and official way to install it, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome to 925 iOS. In this video, you'll learn how to install the official Blackmagic Camera App on iPhone 17 Pro Max using the Apple App Store only. First, unlock your iPhone 17 Pro Max and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Blackmagic Camera. Make sure the app is published by Blackmagic Design PTLLT. This confirms it's the official and trusted app. Now tap Get, authenticate with Face ID, and wait for the app to install. Once installed, tap Open. Allow camera and microphone permissions so the app can work properly. That's it. You now have professional controls like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and frame rate right on your iPhone. This tutorial is for educational purposes only, and the app is downloaded directly from the official Apple App Store.